So I just wanted to show a quick video about customizing Chrome. So if I zoom in and look at the top right here, on where the cursor is, there are three dots. So the three dots is basically the menu. So if we go to more tools and then customize Chrome, and then scroll down a bit to toolbar, we've got these switches, and you can toggle the switch to have it on for various things, and they are useful. So on mine, I've got a printer icon, so you can print, obviously. And then I've got the download icon, so that after you download something, that'll take you to the downloads folder. And then I've got my passwords one, so I can go in and look at my list of passwords. So that can be useful as well. And then these other things are various ad blockers and stuff. So you can just turn on what is useful to you. The other one that I suggest having on is the home button. Yeah, it is the first switch. So the home button is this little Monopoly house here, and when I click it, it takes me home, which is Google in my case. So yeah, you've got these other options. I don't use any of the other stuff, so I haven't turned it on, but in your case may be different. The other thing that I do with Chrome, I see a lot of computers where the person has not got their bookmark bar available. So this is my bookmark bar with all my shortcuts and folders containing shortcuts. So I don't know whether it's slightly different on here. So if I close that and go back to the three dots and then go to settings, and then appearance, then the show bookmarks bar switch is there. So if I turn it off, they disappear. Turn it back on. So that's the way I like to have it. It's convenient. And you can also set what the home button does here. And in my case, it goes to google.co.uk. So your preference might be different, but there you go. So yeah, I do recommend having your bookmarks bar on, because once you've got your bookmark bar on, say you want to make a bookmark, you go to the site that you want to bookmark, and just to the left of it is this little icon, and you can click and drag and drop it on the bookmark bar. And then that's made you a little button there that you can click. So yeah, that's it.